Good evening, everyone. This is Manas, your friend and tutor, back with another video on solution of equations. This is exercise 2 and it's problem 5. I have already solved this one. Okay, in my previous videos where I explained you the transformation of equations with solved examples. Okay, I took this one. All right. So we are going to be solving part 1 and part 2. Here it is the roots are increased by 1 and here the roots are diminished by 1. These are two different cases, but the process is pretty much the same. Here we go with the first example. The equation is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. You need to find a new equation. Okay, the roots of which are increased by 1. Let me explain you. This is our given equation, sir. Let's say it has got 3 roots, alpha, beta, gamma. The new equation which we need to work out is, well, it is still unknown to us, but this is the required equation and it has got roots which are 1 more than this given equation, that is alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 and gamma plus 1. Whenever you encounter such cases, okay, either the roots are increased or decreased, the simple funda that you can apply is to divide this summation of f of x by this alpha plus 1. You can simply write it as x plus 1. To this division and these successive remainders are going to give you the required equation. How to approach this? Just watch. By the way, this alpha plus 1 can also be written as x plus 1, okay, and that is equal to 0. So x is going to be equal to -1. This is going to help us apply the synthetic division technique, right? If the roots were decreased, I would have written alpha minus 1, and in that case I would have done x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x in that case would have been equal to +1, but this is a different case. Take a look at the coefficients. 1, -6 plus 11 minus 6. Write them down. What do you have to divide it by? By -1. Why? Sir, because alpha plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 and that is equal to 0. So x is equal to -1 and that is the case. Copy, paste. -1 into 1, -1. -6 is -7. Into -1 is +7. Plus 11 is +18. Into -1 is -18. -6 is -24. This is your first remainder. This is going to be a part of your required equation. Now copy, paste. Done, sir. -1 into 1, -1, -7, -8 into -1 plus 8. That means this is going to be 26. Okay, so the terms which are written in yellow will frame your new equation or the required equation. Keep watching. Copy, paste. -1 into 1, -1, -8, -9, -1 plus 9. We don't have to do, you don't have to go further, right? It's over now. Look, whenever you see the degree is 3, that means make 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. That is enough. If the degree is 4, make 4 boxes, right? That's the approach. Now this happens to be a cubic equation, so we are going to simply write 1x cube, 9x square, 26x, 24 is equal to 0, something of this sort. Okay, easy, right? So first part we have cracked it. Second part, let us take a look at this one. Very interesting one. Let me zoom in. So this is a case. What kind of an equation is this? To the power 5. As many as 5 roots are there. Okay, so you need to frame a new equation. Let me explain you the problem. This is our given equation whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma, delta, psi. We need to frame a new equation. This is going to be our required equation where the roots are alpha minus 1, beta minus 1 and so on. How are you going to approach this case? Again, sir, what we'll do is we are going to say that this is going to be our f of x. We are going to simply divide f of x by x minus 1, something of this sort. The successive remainders are going to give us the coefficient of the required equation. That's the funda which we'll apply. Let's do that. Here we go. Okay. So I've written down all the coefficients. 1, -5, plus 10. You can see them. And by the way, alpha minus 1, that means x minus 1, that means equal to 0. X is going to be equal to 1 and hence you see 1 written here. Copy, paste. 1, 1, 1. This is going to be -4. Done. -4 plus 6, 6 -4, or all of them are being multiplied by 1. Okay, that is why it is becoming very, very easy for you. -4, 1, 1, 7. That's the remainder. It is going to be a part of our required equation. Copy, paste. multiply by 1, minus 3, minus 3, plus 3, plus 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0. Another remainder. Copy, paste. 1, 1, 1. Okay, we are multiplying it. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 into 1, 1, 0. Another remainder. Copy, paste. 1, 1 is 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 0. Once more. What is the degree? Sir, 5 degree. 2, 3, 4, 5. As many as 5 blocks. This will do the job for you. 1, let me copy paste it. 1 into 1 is 1, sir, and again we get a 0. So this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. Sir, x power 5, x power 4, x cube, x square, x, and no x, nothing. So what you're left with is x power 5 plus 7 is equal to 0. This is going to be our required equation. In 6 minutes and 16 seconds, we've solved it. Okay, so if you find this content helpful, do like and share the videos, subscribe to the channel, and do share it with your friends so that they can also benefit. Okay, this is Manas Patnaik signing off. Take care. Have a nice day.